大家好 Welcome to Lian's kitchen. Today let's make seafood tofu soup. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
This recipe is full of flavor. It is very easy to make and doesn't take much time. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Here are the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box.
Let's start by rinsing off the scallops. Then remove the side muscle from the scallops. This helps remove the sand. Then peel the shell of the shrimps. Next, remove the wrapper from the sun tofu. Then we want to cut the tofu into cubes. Make sure to put the tofu in the water to remove the bean flavor. Next, pull apart the imitation crab meat. Then cut the scallop in half. Now cut the shrimp in half. And remove the vein. Then we need to spread the egg yolk from the egg white. We will only be using the egg white for this coat. Now pick the egg white to make it more runny. Our next step is to make cornstarch slurry. Add cornstarch into the water. Then give it a good mix. Now strain the water from the tofu. And rinse the shrimp off. Now we start to cook. Bring the water to a boil. When it starts to boil, add the tofu. Then add the scallops, shrimp, white pepper, cooking oil, and salt. Then bring everything to a boil and remove the scum. Now add imitation crab meat, mushroom seasoning, and then slowly add the cornstarch slurry. Now bring the soup to a boil. Now slowly add in the egg white to make egg ribbons. Finally, add in the sesame oil. Now remove the soup from the heat and it's done.
Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. It is savory. Tofu very silky. Shrimp and scallop is very tender. It is very fragrant from the sesame oil. There is a very nice sweetness from the seafood. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。